Hello guys, welcome back to our next tutorial on our PHP code or PHP program. Really, in this program, I'll be talking about something called loops, loops in programming. So we have different kinds of loop. We have the do while loop, we have the while loop, we have the what do you call it again, for loop. Eh, I guess for now that's the loop we have in programming. So, and the first thing I'll be talking about in loop is something we call the while loop. The while loop. When you talk about while loop, you're referring to something continuing um, in the process of something existing. I hope that was not confusing, but you get to understand what I mean shortly. Not good, too good at the English aspect of that, but you understand what I mean exactly. So to do the while loop, you use something called the while. But before then, we um, okay. So you use something. You can make a variable called um, by the way, making variables in PHP, you must have to start with something called really a dollar sign, just like this one. So you must make something called a dollar sign, and then I'll do something called or, um, maybe number. Can give it any name I want, and then equal to, and I'll assign a value to the number. Maybe let's say 20, and then that's it. All right. So I can also do get another variable if I want to. I can assign it to age, and I can say equal to, and I can say 10, and then this is what I did. Yeah, that's it. So now I can assign my while loop. While, so the next thing you have is your condition, because now you want to have a condition for my while loop. So while what, and then you give it a condition. So while, and the next thing you will have is your code, the code to be executed. Yeah, this is above shouldn't keep popping up on the screen. So the code to be executed, it's something like this. So you have your curly braces like this. So the first thing is you make your um, you call it the while loop. So this is the while. Then this is where you have your condition to be executed, and this way you have the code you want to run. So all I want to do is I want it to maybe continue to print a particular number on the screen while age is less than 20. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to say while, so age, because this is the age variable we have. I know the age is actually 10, and the 10 is actually stored inside this variable age. So while age is less than 10, and also as you know age is less than 10, so while age is less than 10, I want why age is less than 20. So why age is less than 20, 20 is assigned to number. So why age is less than number, which is why age is less than or equal to 20. I'll do that. Why age is less than or equal to 20. I want you to do something. So what do I want you to do? So I want you to print or echo. Echo is just a way of displaying something on the screen. I want you to echo um, yeah, you should echo age for me. You should echo age on the screen for me. So I want you to print age for me on the screen, and then terminate it like this. So while age is actually less than or equal to number, I want you to echo age on the screen for me. So you notice that age is um, less than number, so it keeps echoing the value age, and the value age is 10 on the screen for me. But there's no way for me to actually tell it to come out of the loop. For instance, let me show you something. So to run this program, I have to go back to my Internet Explorer and refresh the initial code I have. Um, Like, I hate to do this kind of thing, but you can see, like I told you, my Internet Explorer is really crazy. um, you can see the whole code freezed up. This is because it keeps running and running and running, because there's no way for me to tell it to come out of the loop. So it continuously keeps displaying 10 and 10 and 10. I just get it so quick or so fast. But I can get rid of this, really. Close the program. Yeah, close the program. Yeah, so that was info. So now I have y age is less than or equal to number. I want to keep displaying the value called age, and then you see that age is always less than number, so it keeps displaying age on the screen multiple times. So but the way to ensure that this comes out of the loop is to come back here and do something we call an increment operator. And something called an increment operator can be represented with a sign plus plus. Or plus, for instance, I can then say I want to increase the value of age. Listen, why age is less than or equal to number. So I want to only display the value, it should equal age. I want to only display the value of age only and only if age is less than or equal to number. But if it's more than the value of number, which is 20, if it becomes 21, I don't want to anymore display the value of age on the screen. So because of that, I want to increase the value of age from 10 to 11 to 12 to 13. So because I want to do that, and then I will ensure that the number or the value of age keeps growing or increasing till 19, 20, and doesn't get to 21. So all I have to do is to come back and then say age plus plus, right? Do age plus plus. I can go ahead to do age plus equal to or age whatever I want to do. I can say age plus plus. It means increase the value by 1, or I can say age plus equal to 1, which means the same thing, right? So I can also say yeah, let me go and increase the code. I just hope you're seeing this program. I can increase the code. I can also say so like I said, I can say age plus plus. I can say age plus equal to 1, and I can also say age equal to age plus 1. But I prefer going with age plus plus to increase the value just by 1. So I'm going to go ahead to save this, then I'm going to run it. So go back and change this to your localhost, and then enter. So you see the value of age starts from 1. Yeah, that's incredible. Why did we go from 1 to 0 to 1 to 1 to 1? I was expecting like more like 1, 2. We should start something from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I can't tell why it gives me other value than that. Why age is less than or equal to number? I'm equaling the value of age. Oh, okay, so the value of age is 10. So it first equals the value of age 10, then begins to increase it by 11. Yeah, that's true. So the value is literally 10. This not 1 0. This is 10 because that's the value of initial age. Then we have the next thing called 11. This one. Then we have 12. Then we have 13. Then we have 14. Then we have 15. So to make you see that very much, let me use a little bit of HTML code inside the PHP for you to understand exactly what I'm talking about. So the next thing I can do here is I can decide to break the code. Can decide to break the code, the script rather, and then what I'm going to do is to refresh. So you see the first number is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then down to 20. I think this is much better. So this is how you do a while loop in PHP. So while number, so number is 20, and age is 10. So while age is less than the number